This is Mike, and that's Mick. It's Nick, Mick, Mike, and Mick. Got to this place called Saint-Savin, and we're now heading off into the Pyrenees.
You dropped my bike. Oh, I love this. Bloody love it. I forgot how good it is, Nick. It's been too long. But this road's got a lot of shingle on it, and we've had a lot of slips and slides, hoping that one of them hasn't come off on a bend. Right, that's the road that your sat-nav told you to go up to. Mick, Mike, can you hear me? Hello? Right, Nick, they're here. You all okay, yeah? You're alright, yeah?
Yeah, possible, yeah.
Okay, good.
So just need to get out of here. Yeah. It's all on camera.
Yeah.
In the front rail. Come here. If somebody can lift that side.
Okay, fire up, I'd say. There you go.